We're replacing a curb stop arch rod, and this is the arch rod here, and this is the old one over here, and the top of it was damaged by a lawnmower, and so we're replacing the whole thing. The idea is you take this cap off here, and then you can put this tool down inside of it to turn the water on and off to the house. Then the wrench goes down into the arch rod there, comes out at the other end, then you turn the water on and off. This goes on to the water valve, and then you just turn the water on and off. And this arch here goes over the top of the water shutoff. Then you surround it all with gravel so that mud doesn't get into the water shutoff mechanism, and then you just fill it up with dirt on top. This is Dan. He's our human steam shovel. He can dig like a 15-foot trench in 2 days. Just tell him what you're doing.
Well, we're digging not a trench, but a hole to access the water pipe. And
I'm using this post hole digger. I've got the dirt loosened up down in there with the spade, and now I'm going to just take the loose dirt out with the post hole digger. I don't want to use the post hole digger to dig any deeper because it could damage the shutoff. So I just take the loose dirt out now. Then you take this spade, and the water shutoff is here, right about the center of the hole. Should be right in here. Yeah, I can feel it there now. It's hitting it there now. So I'm going to dig around it and loosen up the dirt around the shutoff now with the spade. You have to be careful not to pound too hard with the shovel. And if you hear any sound of hitting something solid, then just back off, and if we have to, we can start using this by hand. Now I'll take the loose dirt out again. Okay, so we're being real careful not to hit it too hard so we don't damage the water pipe. And I'm just taking the loose dirt out. Okay. There, I hit something solid. See, here it is. There's the mechanism right there. Can you go get 2 5-gallon buckets of gravel?
yeah, that's it. Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
And I'll get this hole prepared, and then we'll just dump the gravel in and then put the dirt back in.
Okay. Okay.
See if this fits down in there far enough. It's got to fit so that the all the way down to about the level of the water pipe at this top of this arch. It's a little bit I don't know if it'll go any deeper than that. We'll test it, and we'll put the tool down in there. Hey, Al. Are you going anywhere now?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to turn the water off to the house. Try to see if this mechanism is working, and if it's working, then we'll just fill the hole in and we'll be done.
Oh, did you put what about the new? Oh, that's it right there.
Yeah, that's a new one right there.
Oh, that's a new one. Computer.
Can you go in and just tell me if the water shuts off in the house? Go in and out and try the water, see if it's on. You know how to do that. Turn the kitchen faucet on.
Yeah.
See if the water's on. Come out and tell me if it's on. Then I'll try to turn it off here, and you tell me if it goes off.
Oh, okay.
Okay. What?
Water is on.
Okay, I'll try to turn it off from out here now. So the water's off?
Water is off other than maybe a drip or two.
Okay, let me try it again. I'll turn it on, and then you tell me, and then I'll do the same thing over. Double check. This is a quarter turn water shut off. Should be on now. It's on? So it seems to be working, so we'll just get some gravel and fill it in. Okay, so human steam shovel, we're filling the hole in now. We put gravel down there in the bottom, around the bottom of the hole. So we spent 3 hours digging the hole and putting the mechanism in, and now we're filling it out, so it's less than 4-hour job. There he goes, human steam shovel work. Original problem was that a lawnmower hit this water shut-off mechanism and wrecked the mechanism. Then the city called us sometime later and said we had to have it replaced within 30 days. And so we've got about 4 days left, and we didn't know how long it was going to take, and we managed to get it done in 4 hours. So anyway, that's how you replace a water shut-off arch rod for an outdoor water shut-off for a house. Okay, so thanks for watching.